Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to explore two incredibly useful Python functions that every beginner should master: sum and len. These two functions help you analyze and work with data faster and more efficiently. And trust me, you will use them all the time. So let's dive right in. Part 1. Understanding sum, your personal calculator. Whenever you need to add up a list of numbers, whether it's total sales, total scores, or even the calories you ate today, sum is your simple one-line solution. Example: I define a variable and assign it a list. I define a variable and assign it some scores. Let's print it. Let's run it and print 105. Sum takes an iterable like a list, tuple, or set and returns their total. Here it adds all the numbers and returns 105. Adding a string value. Did you know sum can start from a custom value? This is great when you want an offset. Example: I define a variable and assign it a list. I define a variable and assign it sum, price, and 50. Okay, let's print it. And run it and print 650. Okay. Important tip. Some work only with numbers, not as strings or mixed data types. For those, you will need other techniques. Part 2. Understanding len. Count anything. Len returns the number of items in a collection. Think of it as Python built-in counter. Example: count item in a list. I define a variable and assign it a list. I define a variable and assign it len students. Let's print it. Let's run it and print 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, another example: count characters in a string. I define a variable and assign it hello Python. I define a variable and assign it len message and print it. Let's run it and print 13. Okay. Another example: count keys in a dictionary. I define a variable and assign it a dictionary. Excuse me. Okay. Let's print it and let's run it and print 3. Part 3. Combine sum, plus len for real use case. Now here's where the magic happens. You can combine both functions to analyze data super fast, like calculating averages. Another example, calculate the average score. I define a variable and assign it a list. I define a variable and assign it sum scores, division, len scores. Let's print it and let's run it. 20. Okay. Part 4, real world. Example, student grades. Example, real world. Example, student grade. I define a variable and assign it a list. I define tree, dictionary. Excuse me. Extract only the scores. I define a variable and assign it a student scores for a student in students. Okay, I define a variable and assign it sum scores, division, len scores. Let's print it. Let's run it and print 85. Okay. Using a list comprehension, when extracted student scores and calculated the average using, you guessed it, sum and len. Conclusion. That's it for today. You just learned two simple but powerful tools. Sum for adding values and len for counting items. These two functions are going to be with you throughout your entire Python journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And if you have any question or ideas for future tutorials, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.